back with another math homework help video. So tonight we're subtracting whole numbers again with regrouping. We have the standard algorithm. So here's a sample problem. Find 7,445 minus 1,368. And a little hint here, to subtract whole numbers with the standard algorithm, subtract each place, start with the ones, and regroup when necessary. And you regroup if there is more on the floor. Go next door, then add 10 more. That's a little reminder of how it works. So in step 1, you can't do 5 minus 8, so you have to regroup from the 10s. So when you cross out the 4, there'll be 3 10s left, and then you add 10 more to the 5, which gives you 15 ones. And 15 ones minus 8 is 7. Then we move to step 2. It's 3 minus 6, so we don't have enough 10s. We have to borrow from the hundreds. 400 becomes 300, and we add 10 10s to that. So it's 13 minus 6 10s, it's 7 10s. 3 minus 3 is 0. We don't need to regroup. And then the thousands place, 7 minus 1 is 6. And that's your answer. So the difference is 6,777. And that's what you have to do. All right. Now, let's do some examples. We'll start with the first one here. I'm going to rewrite them just because I think it's better if I do that. So we start with 7 minus 4. So we can do that because there's more on top, so we don't stop. That's 3. 3 minus 5, we can't do that. So we're going to borrow from the hundreds, and we have 6. And we add 10 more. So that gives us 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8 10s. 600 minus 700, too much on the floor. So we go next door. We regroup. And then we add 10 more. So we have 16 minus 7 is 9. And then 7,000 minus 6,000 is 1. So the answer is 1,983. One thing you have to remember is to make sure you line up your numbers properly, because if you don't, you're going to have a problem. All right, let's do the next one, and I'm going to rewrite it here. And feel free to use scrap paper or to write it on the back. So we can subtract the ones, because 5 minus 0, that's 5. And then we can subtract the 10s. 6 minus 2 is 4. And we can subtract the hundreds. 7 minus 1 is 6. No problem there. Bring down your comma. Now we have 100 minus 1,000 minus 2,000. So we have to borrow from the 10,000s. So there's 0 left. And we add 10 more, and that makes 11. So 11 minus 2,000 is 9,000. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and we don't lead with zeros. So the answer is 9,645. All right, boys and girls, so complete the rest of these problems tonight, and I will see you next time. Bye now.